Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to enable or disable core isolation memory integrity in Windows 11. This video shows students and new users steps to enable or disable core isolation memory integrity with Microsoft Security in Windows 11. Core isolation is a security feature that protects important Windows core processes from malicious software such as ransomware. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Go to Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. A new window will open. Choose Device Security from the left side list. Go to Core Isolation Details. Look for Memory Integrity option. If you want to enable it, turn the switch on. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. If you want to disable it, turn the switch off. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!